Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to solve a differential equation problem. So I got here separable first order differential equation, and it has an initial condition which is y of 1 equals 6, and we have to find both the general and the particular solutions. And let me change this. Alright, so they're asking what the function of y of x is. Okay, so here from this differential equation we can write this differential equation as x cubed plus 7 times dy equals x squared times y times dx, and we have to gather every same term in the one side and throw the other terms to the other side. So in the right hand side there is y, so we have to remove that by dividing both sides by y. So I cancel the y's in the right hand side, so it looks like x squared times dx. And now the left hand side would be x cubed plus 7 times dy over y. So I have to make change to the left hand side because there is still x and y in the same side. So I have to remove this x cubed plus 7 from the left hand side, and left hand side would look like this: dy over y x squared times dx over x cubed plus 7. And you can see that I removed this x cubed plus 7 by dividing the both sides with x cubed plus 7. Alright, so here in the left hand side there is only y, and in the right hand side there is only x. So in that case I can integrate both sides, and here integral of dy over y it's very easy, which is natural logarithm of y. But in the right hand side the integral of x squared times dx over x cubed plus 7, it takes a little bit more effort. So let me choose green color, and let's solve this right hand side integral, which is x squared times dx over x cubed plus 7. So I will use u substitution, and u would be x cubed plus 7. And if I differentiate this u respect to x, it turns out to be 3x squared. And then I can make this equation as a du over 3 equals x squared times dx. And you can see that I moved this dx to the right hand side and moved this 3 to the left hand side. So that's why I got this dy over 3 equals x squared times dx. And from here we can integrate this. So x squared dx now equals dy over 3, so we will use du over 3. And x cubed plus 7 is u, so this is integral of dy over 3u, and 3 is just constant number, so we can pull out 1/3 from this integral in front of the integral. So 1/3 integral du over u. So here 1/3, and the answer of du over u is natural logarithm of u and plus constant. And we know that the u equals x plus 3, x cubed plus 7, so we have to substitute that back to the u. So 1/3 natural logarithm x cubed plus 7 plus constant. So this whole thing equals this left hand side's integral. So we can replace this integral with this whole thing. So now this left hand side turns out to be 1/3 natural logarithm of x cubed plus 7 plus constant. Alright, let me choose the white color, and natural logarithm of y equals, so according to logarithmic rule, this could turn out to be x cubed plus 7 to the 1/3, and I can change this constant to the natural logarithm of constant because it's still constant, so it doesn't matter, they're still the same thing. So natural logarithm of y equals, in the right hand side we can see that there are two logarithms and it's an addition of two logarithms, so we can multiply them. So natural logarithm x cubed plus 7 to the 1/3 times constant parentheses. Okay, so we know that as long as there are same things in the both sides, we can cancel them because they're natural logarithms in both sides. So now I cancel this natural logarithm, so y equals x cubed plus 7 raised to the power of 1/3 times constant. So our goal was to figure out what the y of x is. So we figured out here y is x squared, x cubed plus 7 x cubed plus 7 then to the 1/3 times constant, and we don't know what number this constant is. So this is general solution because we don't know what number the constant is. So we have to figure out what number the constant is. So in that case we can find the particular solution. So from there, x cubed plus 7 to the 1/3 times constant, and we have to apply the initial condition, which was, let's go back to the top, which is y of 1 equals 6. Y of 1 equals 6. It means when I plug 1 to the x, y has to be equal to 6. So here it's saying x has to be 1, so 1 cubed plus 7 to the 1/3 times constant, and it has to be equal to 6. Alright, so 1 cubed is just 1, and 1 plus 7 is 8 to the 1/3 times constant equals 6, and 8 to the 1/3 is just 2 times constant equals 6, so constant is 3. Now we have to put this 3 to the general solution, which is y equals x cubed plus 7 to the 1/3 times constant, so constant is 3, so particular solution would be x cubed plus 7 to the 1/3 times 3, and we can write this down like 3 times x cubed plus 7 to the 1/3. So we found both the general solution and the particular solution. That's it. Thanks for watching.